Let's play! Yay, Alphabet City! Whee! That was fun!
Hello, kids! Welcome! Yay! Let's have fun! Aleen! Aleen, come here!
Hello, friends!
Hi,
Welcome
Aleen.
to Alphabet City! Hello, Bibo and Lily. What will we learn today?
Today we will learn the letter B.
Yes! Today we are going to learn the letter B. Are you ready?
Yes, Aleen, we are ready.
Let's go!
We are excited. Let's start.
Play and learn with Aleen.
This is the letter B. Look! This is the letter B. B is for banana. 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 B is for bear. 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 B is for ball. 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 B is for bed. 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 Excellent!
Let's learn to play. Capital letter B.
Hello, kids. Are you ready? Let's write the capital letter B together. First time, down, go back to the top. Big curve, little curve, great job. Second time, down, back to the top. Curve, curve. Wow, you're amazing. Third time, down, up to the top, around, around. You did it. That's the letter B. Let's say it together. B, B, B. Great work. See you next time.
Let's learn. Let's go. Let's learn how to write the small letter B.
Hello, kids. Are you ready? Let's write the small letter B together. First time, down. Go back up. Around to the right. Great job. Second time, down. Up. Make a little belly. Wow, you're amazing. Third time, down. Up. Around. You did it. That's the letter B. Let's say it together. B, B, B. Great work. See you next time. B. Great work. See you next time.
والآن يا أصدقائي لنذهب لنلعب مع بيبو وليلي. Now friends, let's go to play with Bibo and Lily.
Welcome, my friends, to Bibo's family. Lily, let's play a game. Yay, I'm ready. Today we will play and learn the letter B. Let's go. Are you ready to say the letter B with us? B. Oh. B says bup, bup, bup. Can you think of a word that starts with B? Banana! Great job! Let's find more clues. Here comes another one. Does ball start with B?
Yes, ball starts with B.
That's right. Say it with us, ball. Let's try one more. Bird. Bird starts with B. You are a funny bird, Bibo. Now let's play a yes or no game. I love games. If the word starts with B, say yes. If it does, no. Book. Does book start with B? Yes! Book starts with B. Wonderful! If the word starts with B, say yes. If it does, no. Apple. Does apple start with B? No, apple does not start with B. That's okay, we're learning together. Let's say our B words together. Banana, ball, bird, book. Banana, bird, book. Can you say B with us one more time? B, B. Amazing job. You are super learners. Thank you for watching, friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Bibo and Lily. It was amazing. Now, let's see an amazing story together about the banana and the bear.
One sunny day, Bear was happily playing with his shiny red ball in the garden. Near a big tree, Bee was quietly resting and watching her friend with a smile. Bear rolled the ball, ran after it, and laughed with joy. He played and played until he began to feel very tired. Then Bear stopped, rubbed his tummy, and said,
Oh, Bee, I feel tired, and I am very hungry.
Bee flew closer and said in a kind voice,
Don't worry, Bear. I will look for some food for you.
So Bee flew up into the bright blue sky. She buzzed over the flowers around the trees and across the sunny garden. After a little while, Bee saw something wonderful. It was a banana tree full of sweet yellow bananas.
Bee quickly flew back to Bear and said,
I found something yummy for you. Follow me.
Bear smiled and followed Bee to the banana tree.
He reached up, picked the right bananas, and ate them happily.
Yum! Thank you, Bee.
Bear said with a big smile.
Then Bear found a lovely flower and placed it gently near Bee.
Bee drank the sweet flower nectar and enjoyed it very much. And Bear, full and happy again, went back to playing with his red ball. In the warm, sunny garden, Bear and Bee smiled, played, and enjoyed their beautiful day together.
That was an amazing story. Now, let's sing and dance together. هيا يا أطفال، اعملوا الحركات معنا. Yay!
Beep, 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 let's sing and play. B is for banana, yay, yay, yay. Beep, 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 come and see. B is for bear and B. Beep, 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 bounce the ball. B is for bull, big and small. Beep, 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 shout with me. B is fun for you and me.
Kids, ask your parent to help you download the fun worksheet from the link below the video.
Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Goodbye.